मनीष सर एक स्कूल में टीचर थे। वहाँ पर काम करते समय, टीच करते समय काम करना बहुत ही कठिन होता है। और जो मनीष सर का काम है जो वास्तववादी से रिलेटेड है और जो ड्राइंग है वो अमूर्त से रिलेटेड है, तो बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन करके जो काम किया है बहुत ही सराहनीय है। मैं उनके फैमिली को और उनके एग्जीबिशन को कॉम्प्लीमेंट देता हूँ, बधाई देता हूँ।
Good evening, one and all. I take this pleasure of inviting everybody to this exhibition of Utkarsh, a celebration of JMS Mani's mastery. Utkarsh being the excellence of the peak of excellence which we are celebrating in this show. It is a small highlight of this retrospective exhibition. We start his journey from his early college days. He was very well known Badami series. It brings the nudes, the reverse paintings. It's a very wonderful exhibition, and we here reconnect Mr. Mani had his exhibition here at the very iconic Jangir in 1970s. Today, 2025, after he passed away in 2021, family has come up with this show in Mumbai to reconnect and to celebrate. I'm privileged to curate this exhibition here and honored to celebrate his legacy in curating this exhibition. Once again, this is Darshan calling everybody to come and connect with the show, which is on till 17th here at Jamia, Mumbai. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. So I'm here to tell the different kind of medium of JMS Mani's painting. So we are starting off with the Jahangar Art Gallery, which is happening in gallery number 2. You've always seen Mani's Badami series work with a lot of colorful Badami people and the daily life of the people. But apart from that, there are many more mediums like abstract, which it is placed with different kind of medium, with the acrylic sheet, reverse painting, and if you see on the other side, there is portrait of his college days, olden days college days, like oil on canvas. You can see the older works of his college days, and these are the mono prints where he was printmaker too. So these are the mono prints, and there are few watercolors, landscape, and reverse painting of the landscape. And you can see there is one larger work which was oil on paper. It was very old and ancient work. And you can see few of his charcoal works, figurative, and he has studied with the Badami caves, which you can see black and white study, which is done in 1989, and these are something which the ink on the paper, which is again mixed media, and some more the charcoal works here with the kite series. And this is something which is emotionally done with this work. And you can see one of the most famous, he started his career with the rock series. So with the rock series, you can see different kind of medium like watercolor and the charcoal work, and you can see some of the monsoon season painting is meant like warm monsoon, where very wash of watercolor, and again with the stone series you can find many of the works. And coming to here, and he have study of his line drawing works, which is study of some line drawings, nude works, those kind of things. And these are print which and mixed media. He has taken as monoprint, and he has worked with few of the oil pastels and dry pastels, if you see here. And this is the one kind of medium which is done. And you can as well see his graphic works, which is dry point and aqua tint and lithograph. There are three kind of medium works in this, and it is done with the different concept of work. And you can see the collage also. It was done in 1989. It is one of the oldest work which we have displayed here. You can see two of these collage works here. And the abstracts work, abstract landscape work. You can see few more works with abstract landscape. And there are mixed medium with the mother and child topic. And this is one of his very oldest Badami series, which with multiple peoples. You can usually see there are 2 or 3 figures in his Badami series, but this painting is with lot of figures and lot of study, which were one of the most oldest work of James Mani. And you can see some of his charcoal study work and a few small Badami series by portraits. And Badami series were mixed media with charcoal and pen, and this is oil on canvas. So in this show, it is not only we covered with this Badami series, you can get to know different kind of materials and different kind of medium, different kind of emotion what is worked on. So please come to show and please do enjoy the show. Thank you.